Hello, today we'll show you how to easily replace old damaged AirPods on Beats headphones. As you can see, the AirPods are damaged and very ugly. Links to new AirPods are in the video description. This tutorial will work for both Beats Solo and Beats Studio headphones, as the AirPod mounting is the same. To remove the AirPod, take a flat tool. A butter knife works very well here. Insert the knife between the AirPod base and the headphone housing, and carefully and slowly push the AirPod away from the headphone housing. The AirPod cushions are held on the headphones with double-sided tape. Also remove any old glue, tape remains. In the same way, carefully remove the old AirPod, the second side, and clean off all the glue so it won't disturb with the new replacement AirPod cushions. When you buy new AirPods, you have option choose different colors, what you like more. To attach the new AirPod, remove the protective layer from the double-sided tape. Center the AirPod to the two plastic pins and press cushion down. The AirPod seam should be facing down. The AirPod with the groove is for the side with the charging socket. Install this AirPod cushion in the same way as the first one. Here's the result. Headphones look like new again, and you don't need buying new headphones. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below this video, but now good luck, my friend.